Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a domain in Vercel. First, start from your main Vercel dashboard. Look for the option that says Add New, then choose Domain. This area works like a control center for all your domains. From here, you have a few options. You can buy a new domain directly through Vercel, you can transfer a domain you already own, or you can connect a domain that you registered somewhere else. Once you complete this step, your domain becomes part of your Vercel account. It is now saved and managed inside Vercel, so you can use it anytime with your projects. Now, if you have already added your domain, connecting it to a project is very easy. Go to your project settings, then open the domain section. You will see a list or drop-down of your available domains. Just select the one you want to use, and it will be linked to your project without needing extra DNS setup. Now let's look at the direct method. If you did not set up the domain earlier, you can still add it directly inside your project. Go to your project settings, open the Domains tab, and type in your domain name manually. After that, Vercel will show you DNS records like A records and CNAME records. You need to copy these and add them to your domain registrar where you bought the domain. Once the DNS changes are saved and updated, your domain will connect to your Vercel project. Thanks for watching.